Hi, it's Marieta. Thanks a lot for tuning in. In this video, I want to talk about E2 visa and work authorization for your spouse. So if you are planning to get E2 visa and you also want to bring your family with you and you want your spouse to be able to work in the United States, this video is certainly for you. Let's do it. Now, if you're new to my channel, welcome. Make sure to subscribe. Hit the bell so you are notified when I release new content. And in this video, like I said, I want to focus on the work permit for your spouse. So in general, if you want to invest, if you want to get E2, you need to invest. I made a video. In fact, I have an entire playlist. What is the requirement for E2 visa approval? So check it out. Also, check out free training, how you can get E2 in 2022. The link is below this video. Now, you probably already know this. If you're getting E2 visa, investor visa status, you're starting a business in the US, you're investing, you're getting E2 status, you can bring your family with you, your spouse, your kids. They are getting a visa, they are getting the E2 visa as well as you are getting E2 visa, and they are able to actually move to the United States with you. However, in the past, if your spouse wanted to work, he or she would need to apply for additional work permit in United States. Now, if right now you're going to apply for E2 visa, guess what? That additional filing for that work permit is not required because there is a new rule. It was introduced actually towards the end of last year. And this rule is talking about automatically you will be able to work and your spouse will be able to get the general work permit as your spouse is getting that E2 visa status. Now, this is amazing because that being said, your spouse can actually work anywhere, whereas you can only work for your particular company that is actually sponsoring you, that is connected with that E2 visa application. So if you are someone who is thinking about getting E2 visa, and you want to move to US, you want to run this business, and your spouse is someone who wants to work and is maybe working in a corporate job, this is a great opportunity because this way she can work or he can work right away. So these are great news. Now, I also want to make sure that you understand the updates about the E2 visa. People always ask me these days, how long does it take? So if you are doing the consular processing, in other words, if you're someone who applied already for E2 visa and your petition is right now stuck at that consular level at the US Embassy, you can speed it up with emergency appointment if you qualify, or unfortunately you have to wait because in general embassies are experiencing backlogs. You already know that, right? So I highly recommend maybe consider emergency if there is a reason for that. If not, you have to wait. And if you are planning to apply for E2 visa in 2022, I highly recommend that you do that strategically. You think about it, what's the best option for you? Should you travel to the United States under B visa and change your status to E2 and do the filing through USCIS? Or should you do it through US consulate in your country? But it really depends on that backlog in your particular country because you don't want to start the process of E2, invest, and then not be able to actually visit the United States, not be able to enter the United States for the next year. So here are the things that you need to be aware of. Now, if you want to book a consultation with me, you can do that. Link to book call is below this video. I also highly recommend you check out the training below this video, how you can get E2 visa in 2022. And also, if you are someone who wants to actually eventually down the road get green card, then I highly recommend check out my other training, how you can go from E2 to green card. Because hear me out, there is no direct path, right? But there are options. That is something I've done personally. I was on E2 myself, and then I upgraded to a green card through entrepreneurship. But it's not for every single E2 investor. You have to understand that. So if you want to understand these options, I do have specifically training for those who want to learn how you can go from E2 visa to a green card. Now, if you're a female entrepreneur who wants to start a business in the US and you want to get your E2 visa, for you, I have specific training how you can build six-figure coaching or consulting. And also the link is going to be below this video. Thank you so much guys for tuning in, and I'll talk to you soon.